Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So we have two methods. Let's start with the first one. At first, let's open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And that's it. As you can see, both IMEI numbers and also serial number just pop up. Tap on OK to go back. And now we can open serial number and IMEI numbers through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open About Phone. And here you will notice serial number and IMEI number, but you can also open them through the status, so simply click on status and then tap on IMEI information, where you will find both IMEI numbers, and a bit lower you will notice serial number. So that's basically all. This is how you can locate both serial and IMEI number for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.